What's going on, everybody? It's Tristan here with my cat, Little Miss Luna, chilling. And basically today in this video what we're going to be discussing is we're discussing the Nike Mountain 001, the Bronze Eclipse pair, which keep in mind is coming very, very soon, or just the Nike Mountain 1 Bronze Eclipse. I believe that's the name of the colorway. I might have it a little bit wrong, but basically it's like a fly knit Nike Mountain, and the prices are really, really good right now. Keep in mind, off a $95 retail price, and like after tax and all that, you're paying like maybe $100 max. And these are, again, going for like $250 online right now. So is this a flip? Absolutely. I mean, whenever you talk about a shoe nowadays, it's making double your money. That is very, very rare. You do not see that with a lot of shoes that are cheaper in price on retail especially. So it just shows you the hype for Nike Mounts right now. It's the middle of summer. It's a slide. You know something like this will sell good for a couple months at least, and probably later this year too. I see the Nike Mount hype lasting through this year. So we'll get into it. Hope you guys will enjoy. Again, if you guys do want more content like this, go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget, normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. If you do that, that'd be great. If not, again, check out my Instagram page down below, the Brick After Brick giveaway. Keep in mind, that is up on my page right now, my most recent post. Get in there, get entered, tag your 2 friends, make sure you like the post, and let me know why you want the pair. Again, just drop a simple reason. It could be a paragraph, it could be a sentence, whatever it is. All reasons are important to me, so make sure you please state the reason why you want the pair. It's very important to me. And you can enter up like 5 to 10 times once you put your reason. Just don't enter like 20, 30 times. Some people have been doing that, and again, as I mentioned, if you're doing that, you're not going to win the pair. Just letting you know. Don't go OD basically. But if you do 5 to 10, I'm cool with it. You got a lot of friends, go ahead, use it to your advantage. That's everything I really need to say. I hope you guys will enjoy. Again, everything's linked down below in that pinned comment. My TikTok lives for the streetwear auctions off of. Everyone come cop some streetwear off us. We got more of these tees restocking coming, I think, Friday or Saturday this week. So make sure you guys don't miss the lives. We got another one today, so I'll probably be on live like midday or something. I got my employee coming over here. So yeah, we got some work to get done today, and getting this done first. Let's get started. The UNC 5 on feet review also is going to be out either when this video should be out or tomorrow, so stay tuned. Those are landed today, so coming today, hopefully. I'll probably post a review before, so you'll see this probably tomorrow. All right, so as you guys can see, we are getting that screen recording up right now and taking a look on sneakers. This is where we're going to look first, discuss the pair, and then we're going to get into everything else we got to talk about, right? The resale, and if there's any other drop locations for these, which there's always a couple raffles online, so feel free to check that out. Check your local Nike stores if you got anything near you. Of course, it's definitely something important. And yeah, let's just kind of get into it. So as y'all can see, excuse me, I'm stuttering all over the place. These are dropping again, as y'all see, June 18th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, $95 retail price, and this is the Bronze Eclipse colorway. You can see the Nike Mountain 1 fly knit. So I believe the reason they call them fly knit is not because as y'all can see, this right here. Sorry, I just got a random notification there. But yeah, it's not saying it's fly knit because this material right here, right? Like, this is obviously not fly knit, the same rubber material that we got on most Nike Mounts, right? It's because the material we got on the top of the sneaker. Hopefully they'll show me a good photo. There we go. You can see the top of the sneaker right here. This is kind of that fly knit material. Regular insoles, all that. It's really just, again, the top of the shoe that's fly knit. But people don't care about that part too much, you know what I mean? Like, people are just going to look at these as regular Nike Mounts and treat them as such, and the resale prices are definitely showing that. We've had a lot of sales again at that $250, $300 range. It's doing very good right now, and this is definitely going to be a hyped colorway. Might not be your style, but again, still worth it to go for, because maybe there is a pair of Nike Mounts out there that you want, and you could trade these for those possibly, or at least sell these and then get closer to getting that pair, you know what I mean? Because you'll make some off these if you hit them for retail. So main thing just to kind of discuss, mention right off the bat, June 18th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. That is a release date for these and the date that you need to be paying attention to on these. And it's probably going to be a bit lower stock considering that they're doing them on sneakers. My guess is they'll probably do them. Sorry, I didn't mean to click off that. My guess, though, is that they're going to do them on the Nike app as well. They've been doing a lot of Nike Mind stuff on the Nike app, not just on the sneakers app. Keep in mind, those are 2 different locations. So make sure you download the Nike app. I'm sure this will be on there. Actually, we'll take a look and go over kind of the details and how these look in a sec. Let's see if those are on the Nike app right now. So as you guys can see, we actually do have some colorways. It doesn't look like the Bronze Eclipse one is hitting. I'm definitely gonna notify myself because I know this colorway. This one's popular. Oh yeah, there's some heat dropping on the 18th. Basically, the 18th, we have a Nike Mountain restock. Not only right on the Nike app, keep in mind, you see all these ones that are dropping on the 18th on the Nike app. Look at that. But look at this, the Bronze Eclipse pair as well. This is definitely something else to keep in mind. This is also dropping. So sneakers app and Nike app, we got tons of Nike Mounts dropping. All of them, again, are probably going to do well. Even the women's Nike Mounts have done very good recently. Usually women's slides don't do as well, but you can see recently, again, this Nike Mount hype is like definitely serious. Like, you can see most are doing really good numbers. So aside from that, I'm gonna show all the resale prices on these right now and just kind of breaking down the look of these real quick. It's a nice colorway. I do like the orange kind of here in the bottom, how that hits off kind of that brown or bronze colorway, and then kind of the from bronze to kind of black look right here, kind of the fade to bronze, or I guess, yeah, bronze to black look, because again, you can see how the colorway kind of fades into black right there. So I think that's pretty nice. And of course, the top of the shoe. This part's always dope. I love the insoles. probably one of the better parts of the Nike mounts in my opinion, even though you don't see it. And yeah, aside from that, let's break down the resale prices right now, because I feel like a lot of you guys have been looking at these maybe as a flip, but if you're looking at it for the personal collection, again, there's some dope ones dropping on the 18th. Just check the Nike app too. There's that all black, the kind of that chrome one, right? The OG Nike mount. I think it was one of the first ones that dropped, kind of that black and orange one. Those are restocking again, because I don't think it's the first time those have dropped. Those are restocking on the 18th, so make sure you guys are ready for those, because that's like one of the most popular colorways of Nike mounts, and is one of the hardest ones to get, but again, prices haven't dropped on them really at all recently, so just shows you the demand is still there. But looking at the prices on these, the Bronze Eclipse Total Orange, as y'all see, asks right now between $220 to $300, and they are selling there. If you look at the recent sales, check this out. Again, most are at that 250, 260 range, but you can see the bigger sizes, 12, 13. The sizes they just don't make as many of in these are going for $300. So bigger sizes will be the ones that go for more on the sneaker. I'm pretty confident in saying that, but it wouldn't surprise me if, again, the 10, 11, 12, those sizes also will probably end up doing really good, because those are just some of the most popular sizes people wear. So keep that in mind. And no half sizes on these, so don't forget that detail about these. But aside from that, I might want a pair of these. You know, they're good. $250 is a lot for some slides, though, I'm not going to lie. And, I mean, someone got a great deal on a size 8 right there. So maybe some of those small sizes will get a little bit cheaper. Maybe we'll see those touch that kind of like 190-ish range. But my honest prediction on these, based off what a lot of Nike Mount slides have been doing recently, I think these will probably end up reselling for about kind of that, I'd say, 180 range. And some of those small sizes, like a 7 and 8, maybe 180. If not, we'll just see 190. So 180 to 190. Or again, the bigger sizes, I think those will probably stay about 250, 260. So 180 to 260, or 190 to like 260, 270. I feel like that's kind of where I see these reselling. That's kind of my range right there. Small sizes going for less, so sizes under 9, and then sizes above size 9, so 10 plus. Those are going to be the ones that kind of stick at that kind of 250-ish or 230 plus range in my opinion, right? Size 10 will probably be a bit cheaper than 11, 12, 13, because there's just not as many of those. You can see 14 and 15 cooked. 343 last sale, 15 last sale, 342 cooked. Yeah, you're going to be paying probably $400 for these. That's my guess if you're that size range, if you really want this pair. So maybe see if there's any other colorways that have a size a bit cheaper, right? I'm sure there's some out there, because this one is about to drop. There's a lot of hype for it. You can see the hype isn't really slowing down. And we have other Nike mods restocking on that day. On the Nike app, this one's on sneakers, so keep that in mind. But we have other ones on the Nike app as well. So there's just a lot of resale going on that day, June 18th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Check the Nike app, check the sneakers app. Don't miss this release, and do not miss the other ones as well, because those ones, again, are doing some serious numbers. And yeah, that's kind of my resale prediction, 190, 260. Do I see these going up in price? Not really. Like, again, let me give a comparison here. The reason I'm not saying that these are going to go up in price, right, is because, I mean, maybe if they just never do them again, sure. Like, if this is not similar to, like, but I mean, you can even look at a lot of those, like, OG Yeezy slide colorways. Those have gotten cheaper just because the hype is kind of falling off over time. Like, honestly, this is just so expensive for slides. Like, it does remind me of OG Yeezy slide hype and OG Yeezy foam runner hype, when people were paying, you know, $250, $300, $400 for, you know, these slides or foams, you know what I mean? And it's very similar with Nike, you know what I'm saying? You see it right now, people paying $250, $300, $400 for slides. Do I think it's going to last? No, probably only for a year. So would I take advantage of these sales? Wow, I could, basically, is what I'm saying. Yes, honestly, if you could make a sale right now at $260, $300 for some slides, there's no point in holding. Go make the sale, and if you got to pay that for your pair, you might have to, because that's what most people are doing right now at the moment, based off what we're seeing on the market. But that's my prediction, what I think about this pair, and kind of just what I think about the Nike Mount hype. I think it'll last another good year or so, then we'll kind of start seeing the prices come down a lot more, because, again, these are selling for 2 to 3 times the retail. You just do not see that with sneakers that often nowadays. So just let you know what's popular right now, and these are definitely trending. So if you guys do want more content like this, go ahead. Feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal. We always shoot for 300 likes. If you do that, that'd be great. If not, just check out any of my socials linked down below. In my bio, of course, we have, well, the pinned comment. Not my bio. It's in the description too, but in the pinned comment, my TikTok lives for the streetwear auctions. Come cop some tees off us, man. We got a lot coming in this week, so do not sleep. Got the Nike masks. We got some more Supreme socks coming in. We got the Spider-Man boxes finally landing within the next week or so, so stay tuned. Finally got that situated, so that was dope. And yeah, just stay tuned, guys. A lot of dope stuff coming there. Appreciate all y'all that have been tuning in over there. And is there anything else that I'm forgetting? No, just drop your thoughts in the comments. Let me know if you're going for these. Let me know what you think about the Nike Mount hype. Check out my Instagram. Get in that brick after brick giveaway. Tag your friends. Let me know why you want the pair. Like the post, and drop me a follow if you want to, because we're going to be giving away probably a pair of the UNC 5s or whatever good release is coming up in June. Once our giveaway for the brick after bricks is done, I might pull it like a week or so early just so I can do another one this month, but we'll see. we'll see. We'll probably just what was I gonna say? We'll probably just end up doing this one for this month, and then we'll do another next month for some cool pair. Just let me know what y'all want in the comments, or if you have any ideas on something cool coming up in June, right? Let me know, and that'll be what we do. But that's everything I really need to say, guys. I'm T. Thank you all. Sorry for the long outro here, but got a lot to say. Hey, been a good video today, so I appreciate you guys. And there's my little cat, Luna. As y'all don't see, being a picky girl. You being good, kid? You being good? You doing a good job? Yeah, you doing good? Hi. Hello. Kitty. Alright, I'm done with my cat. Alright, I'm gonna go hang out with my cat, and then I gotta get some stuff packed and then do my live today, so it's actually a lot to do. Pretty busy. Alright, there's my cat. Hi, bud. Hi. Alright, can't even hear her, but it's fine. Alright, see y'all tomorrow. Peace out, squad.